So we decided to make some carne asada tacos today. I'm gonna make them really Puerto Rican style, basically, or Mexican, not American. And it's not gonna be spicy. It's gonna be very delicious. But before, we have to do a couple of things. We gotta go get the meat. We gotta wash the car. Let's go. So the meat we're gonna use is flank steak, traditional for carne asada. The yellow corn tortillas, some wine, and then we're gonna season the beef with turmeric, garlic, cumin, oregano, some basic seasoning. And I have here the ingredients for the guacamole. We're gonna do the guacamole instead of salsa. So the guacamole, we have onions, lemon, 2 avocados, cilantro, and tomatoes. So we're gonna add some wine, vinegar, turmeric, some seasoning, cumin, salt. It's marinated for a little bit. $20, okay. Okay, this is the fun part. I'm gonna use a trick that I learned on YouTube in this how to use my gas barbecue, but with this wood inside. It's hickory or mesquite. Put it in here, and then you have to set it below the grill. So that's gonna be the flavor. We're gonna close it and let it really high for like 15-20 minutes. There for 10 minutes. Of course, you gotta turn it. You see the smoke is in there. All we have to do is check it because it's so hot. It's over 500 degrees. So you gotta open it up, check it, make sure that's not on fire. So what I do to avoid things to catch on fire is you take a spray and put some water in there, because if it dries up, it will ignite. So you don't want that. I think this boomerang is done. So for the tortillas, we just put a little bit of olive oil and butter and just let them toast for maybe, I don't know, 5 minutes, 4 minutes, Not too much. Don't make tostadas. For the guacamole, all we need is a couple of avocados, cut them in half. Take out the pits, save them, cut them in half again. And we gotta mash this a little bit. Now we're gonna add my sauce. In some future video I'll teach you how to make this sauce. It's just tomato, cilantro, onions, lemon juice, turmeric, and a little bit of cumin. Those seeds back in there. Before I go, I would like to remind you to subscribe for free. I do a lot of recipes, mainly Latino stuff. I do this because I wanted to be a chef. My next life, I'm going to be a professional chef. One more thing I wanted to share with you. It's in case you're wondering about this Ralph's barbecue. I used to play with Strong Sanfara. Two guitar players. If you haven't heard the music, it's great music. And we did a bunch of recordings. And Kathy, his wife, won this barbecue at Ralph's. They bought a house, a nice house, and it had a barbecue, so they didn't need this barbecue. So they told me, hey, Kathy won this at Ralph's. Do you want to go pick it up? All you have to do is pick it up. It was a big box. But I took my wife's RAV4 and I don't know, we managed to put it in there. And this has been with me for about 20 years. So, and still okay. I gotta buy a few parts for the inside. But anyway, I just wanted to share that. So thank you, Kathy. Thank you, Jorge. It still works. So I'll see you next time on the next video. This month I'm going to be out of town so for a few days, so I don't think I'm going to put any videos until the end of July. Hopefully I'll have a new and exciting recipe for you guys. Okay, so take care.